Do these things immediately after you upload your videos, especially your long form content, so that they can start going viral. These are some of the things that I've been able to do for my other channel, and I've seen the results. Trust me when I tell you that these things work if you do them correctly. And these things are not even things that you go elsewhere to do, or maybe you go to your YouTube studio to do. They are things that you have to do while you are uploading, or immediately after you upload your video right there on YouTube. Hi, my name is Oluwatosin. In case this is the first time you're seeing my channel, and you're welcome to all my return subscribers, you're also welcome. If this is your first time here, do well to subscribe, and don't just subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified the next time I upload a new video on this channel. So the first thing I'll be talking about is, if you know that you're a creator that uploads and your videos don't get viewers immediately, there are sometimes that when you upload, even after going back to your upload in 30 minutes, in 1 hour, there's still no view at all, or maybe just 1 or 2 views. Immediately after you upload your content, be the one to push your video by yourself, in the sense that make sure you switch to another YouTube channel, preferably on another phone, maybe your spouse phone or any phone that is close to you. I would have said that you should create 2 accounts on the same phone and then switch to that other account to watch your content. But the truth is, if you are doing this with the same phone, open another YouTube account and then switching to that account to watch your content from your other accounts on the same phone, this view will have the same IP with your account that you have used to create the content. So it's always advisable to, immediately after you finish uploading your content on YouTube, especially your long form content, make sure that you are the first to push your content out, in the sense that look for another phone that is close to you, and then you watch your content with that phone. And once you watch, make sure you drop a thumbs up on that video. Then you should as well comment on that video, and immediately you comment, after like 5 minutes, go back to your phone that you used to upload that content and you reply that comment. Make sure there's an engagement. You can get 2 or 3, as much as possible, phone that you can get close to you to do this. This is better than leaving your content after uploading and leaving it for like 30 minutes, 1 hour, thinking that YouTube should push it out by themselves. Because once this small engagement starts showing up on your content in the first few minutes of uploading, YouTube would think that the audience are liking, the few audience that are seeing this content are liking it, and they want to push it out to more audience. And please make sure that as you are watching, you are also giving the video a thumbs up and you are commenting. Then you are replying the comments with your own phone that you have used to create the content. And this brings me to the second point, which is not to share your link outside YouTube. Don't share your link immediately after you upload. In fact, I always advise that before you share links to the video that you just uploaded, let the video, leave the video to have stayed for at least 24 hours. Leave YouTube alone to work on the content for at least 24 hours before you take the link to any other social media platform, be it your WhatsApp. Don't share your link on your WhatsApp immediately after you upload. This is not good for your channel, because it's just as if you are telling the algorithm that you know what to do with your content. Like, you know how to push your content out. The algorithm should not help you at all. Don't share your link on TikTok, not on Facebook, not on WhatsApp, till at least that content is 24 hours old that you have uploaded it. I hope that point is clear. And this leads me to the third point, which is to pay attention to your comment section. That was why I said it earlier, that if you are pushing your video by yourself, by using another person's phone to watch your content immediately after you upload it, always reply comments. Any comment that comes under that video, make sure you reply comment. Don't just drop love emoji, especially if you are like a small creator. Even for the bigger creators, they always interact with their comment section. If the messages are too much for them to be replying one by one, you will see some of them dropping a pinned message like, I see all your comments, thanks, and all of that. And they will make sure that they at least drop a love emoji on each of those comments. I'm talking about for bigger YouTube creators. Now imagine you, a small creator that is just trying to build a community, and you are not even interacting with the community. They are dropping comments and you are not there to reply. You are dropping comments and you are just dropping love emoji. No matter how busy you are, please, if you are trying to build your community on YouTube, make sure that you're always interacting with your comment section. In fact, if possible, your comment section can be like a conversation. Once, let's say I come to your comment section to drop a comment, reply that comment. If another person replies your comment under my comment, still go back to reply the comment. Let the comment be long under each comment. Like, let it be like a conversation. Don't just go there and drop love emoji because you've replied one person under that comment. If you see any other comment under that particular comment, reply. Let the conversation keep going, because this is a good form of engagement for your content. And when there is an engagement on a particular content, YouTube pushes that content out very, very well, because obviously what YouTube wants on your videos are views and engagement, not just viewing, views and engagement. So make sure that you always respond to your community, which is your comment section. Yeah, so make sure you always interact with your community. Once you see comments on your under your video, even if it's one comment, please reply that comment with a love emoji, and then you type as well to reply the comment. And this brings me to the next point, which is to share your video in your community. Once you have 10 to 15 subscribers above, you automatically unlock your community, that space where there's short, there's upload video, there's community, that's which is posts, then there's live. So once you have up to 10 to 15 subscribers, you automatically unlock that post section. This post section is not just there for fancy. Make the most use of it. As long as it is 30 minutes or 1 hour after you upload your content, go and share the link to that content in your community, in your post. I'm not talking about outside YouTube, right there inside YouTube. Go and share the link to that video in your post, because it is not only your subscribers that see your post. Your post is also your community. On my own phone, it is written as post, but you can see some phones that it will be written as community. So it's not only your subscribers that see your community, that see your post. Everybody is just like timeline. Your post is like your community, is like your timeline. I can call it post, I can call it community, they mean the same thing, please. So your community is like your timeline. 1 hour after you drop your long form content, just copy the link of that content and then you put it on your community. Maybe I'll be making a video on how to do that, and I'll be mixing it with this one. You don't just copy link and paste in your community. You will create posts so that it doesn't just appear as a link to whoever will see it. It appears as your thumbnail, like the whole of the video. They'll be able to see your thumbnail. They will not just see the link. You understand what I'm saying? And this post I'm talking about, this community I'm talking about, it is not outside YouTube, it's inside your YouTube. Don't go and paste your link on your WhatsApp status when your content has not even stayed for 24 hours on your channel that you uploaded it. This takes me to the next point, which is make sure you pay attention to your analytics. This is your YouTube studio. Pay attention to your analytics. I've lost a channel with 54,000 subscribers because I wasn't paying attention to my analytics. You heard me right. I lost a channel with 54,000 subscribers because I was not paying attention to my YouTube studio. So your YouTube studio should always be your friend. As a content creator on YouTube, whether you're a small creator, a big creator, your YouTube studio should always be your friend, especially for small creators. Once you upload a content, after a few hours, go to YouTube Studio and see how well that content is going. Check on the analytics of that content. Check on the people that are watching the content, where they are watching from, the likes on that content. Is there any dislike on the content? Check for the copyright section. Does this content have any copyright claim? Is there any copyright in the sound? Your YouTube analytics will show you all of these things. So you should always visit your analytics. Anytime you upload a video, go and see how far with that video in your YouTube analytics. Don't just leave it there and not go and see what's up with the video in your analytics. Please always check on your videos in your analytics, and this is not only for your long form content, so even for your shorts, always check on them in your YouTube analytics. And those are the 5 points that I have for you that you should do immediately after each upload so that your videos can go viral for this particular video. Those are the 5 points I have for this particular video, but I'll still be dropping more videos like this. If this video has been helpful to you or you found it interesting, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up so that there can also be engagement on this my content. Then if you've not subscribed, kindly subscribe, and don't just subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified when next I upload a new video on this channel, because on this channel I'll be uploading daily YouTube growth and then monetization tips on daily basis on this channel. And as much as you can share this video amidst your loved ones, because this video will be helpful to whoever comes across with it. Then have you seen this video on the left side corner of your phone? If you are interested in seeing what I did that made me lose my channel with 54,000 subscribers, check out this video inside this box on the left hand side of your screen. And if you are interested in seeing how much YouTube paid me for a video that has 1,000 views on my other channel, check out the video in this box on the right side corner of your phone. And the link to all these videos will also be down in the description box. In case you miss it from the box, you can always check out the link to them in the description box. Thank you so much for watching this video from beginning to this point. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.